Let me show you how to make a delicious Nigerian vegetable soup with just simple ingredients that you will love. Now these are the ingredients. I have some locust beans, it is called dadawa. I have some crayfish, 4 cubes of maggi and salt. I have my blended pepper, this is the long pepper that I use. I have some onions, and then I have some ginger and garlic. I have cow stripe and also cow skin. I have some liver, kidney and red beef. I have some frozen dried fish, and then I have my green, which is called spinach, in my place. Then I also have some pumpkin leaf, which is called ugu. And yeah, that is it. In my pot, I'm going to begin by adding in my meat, and then I'm going to season them with the seasonings that I just showed you earlier, and then cook until it is soft and tender, or until it is 90% cooked. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, you're highly welcome. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting. God bless you all, and I do appreciate you all for your support. 45 minutes later, I have this meat all cooked. I'm going to put it in the oven. You can fry it. Then I'm going to take out the stock. In the same pot, I will add in my palm oil and heat it up. Then I'll add the remaining onions, then add part of the ginger and garlic. I will stir on that for about 30 seconds to 45 seconds. Make sure your heat is not too high so it will not burn. Now, and after 45 seconds, I went in with my blended pepper. I'll stir on that. Then I'm going to go ahead to add in the stock from the meat that we cooked. Stir it in very well to make sure that everything is properly mixed in. I'll go in with my dadawa. I'll add in 2 cubes of maggi that we left earlier, then my crayfish powder, and I will stir on that. Once everything is well stirred, I'll cover that and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Then 5 minutes later, I will go in with my cow skin and then the stripe and also the frozen fish, because I want them to cook, and also the meat that was in the oven, and I'm going to mix that so they will soak up the sauce that was there. After stirring it very well, I went in with my ugu because it takes a bit of time for it to cook, so I will stir that in very well, and then I am going to then add in my other vegetable. This one doesn't take much time to cook, so I added it last because of it. Then cover it, let it steam a bit. Then it's time for me to mix it in, and that will just make it like 90% of the cooking is almost done. I added a bit of crayfish again, and then also a bit of oil. Vegetable soup needs a lot of oil, so you can minimize it, but you know, just a little bit won't hurt. So I stirred that in and cover it for the crayfish to cook a little bit more, and then after a few minutes, gently stirred from side to side, and this is it. You just made yourself a delicious pot of vegetable soup. Just stir gently from side to side so that you don't break all the fishes that are in there. And I'm just done with the cooking. Look at that. It looks so good, and it's time for us to serve it in a beautiful bowl and bring our swallow to enjoy with it. Look at how good this look. It tasted so good, and it's so delicious. Everyone enjoyed it, and that is it. I hope you're going to try this recipe out. Let me know when you try it out. And with that, we've come to the end of this recipe. I will see you all in my next video, but until then, always remember that Jesus loves you so much. Bye.